Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our finished good details report in resource planning. So first of all, let us go to our resource planning module. You need to click on browse modules and then you need to click on resource planning. Now, once you will come in resource planning, in the very bottom you will see an option of finished good details report. So let me tell you exactly what it is and how you can use it. So once I click on finished good details, there are few of the filters which are provided for you. So finished good details report is used to go ahead and plan any procurement of those finished goods which are, for which process or for which order confirmation is not created. So suppose I want to just go ahead and check that if I am going ahead and starting a production. So first of all, you need to go ahead and select the item name. You can select it through item ID, BOM number, or other details as well. So bill of material is mandatory in order to go ahead and generate the finished good details report. Now I will go ahead and click on generate report. So in order to go ahead and just provide you all the details, so it will just take the entire detail from your bill of material. All the raw material will come from the bill of material selected. It will provide you that what is currently in stock, how much is the required quantity, and how much is the block quantity. Total order, that means how many PO have been raised, total inward have been done but QIR is pending. Coming to the next, pending approval quantity and how much is the indent balance. So indent balance is only provided if suppose by any chance any previous indent is already raised for these items and after that those have not been yet inverted, so indent is not completed, so that will come in the indent balance. To be ordered quantity will come here if any stock is not available as per the current production planning. So system will tell you that how much you need to go ahead and create a purchase order and you need to order. So that you can do directly from going ahead and selecting the items and generating indent. You can download this in Excel as well. Also, we do have column selection option. So from left hand side, you can go ahead and select the required columns, and then after you can see those data in this particular report. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the finished good details report. Have a good day ahead.